Do you have helpers at home? My days are better days if I have helpers around. Some of them are small and some are big. My morning alarm that wakes me up every morning is nothing but my helper that helps me kickstart the day on time. Some things, even though small, do their job perfectly. They hold on to things in their place. One holds my mobile cord, so when I lay in the bed tired, I don't have to search for the charger. It's right there hanging by the side. The books get their support too. No more leaning. Some of these helpers only do one thing, but they are simply perfect at it. I'll come back to folding these t-shirts later in the day. Until then, they hang tight. For my lazy days, I have this handy. It stays hidden besides these large books. I use it every once in a while to pick up hair and dust. This one is a finicky one. It only likes to stand.
My hands are getting cold. I really need to wake up. I've been stolen from you.
There's a new addition to my long list of helpers. This one is here to stay for long. Maybe forever.
Heading for the water. It's one more year today. I wonder.
Watering indoor plants right, especially in the winter season, can be tricky. It's very easy to overwater. And to avoid doing just this, I resorted to using a moisture meter, which gives me a fair idea. I don't completely rely on this and use my own judgment too.
Sitting all alone on the same place you kept telling me I was the one.
Now, plant care does take up a significant amount of my time in a week, so the moisture meter does come in handy and makes my life easier.
Heart has gone with you.
With latest gadgets and also interesting kitchen items that are coming out every day, I am someone who enjoys finding innovative things for my home.
We can feel the same. Nobody will ever know. And it's a kind of limbo that I'm in. When are you gonna let me slowly touch your skin? You and me will never be.
Don't wait for things to happen, make them happen. Now that sounds like a serious thought, right? Consider a funny twist to this. When I read this the other day, what came to my mind was spicy and tangy food. Hear me out, hear me out. I'd been waiting to make a trip back home all this while just to eat things I love and I miss over here. So when I read this quote, I got the idea of making chart at home itself and not to hold on to my wishes. Oh, the satisfaction! Homemaking can get interesting and fun if we try to creatively work around our daily chores or tasks. I know a lot of homemakers like me have things handy at home that come to the rescue. Well, I chose to call them my helpers, since they help me out so much in my day-to-day workflow.
It's a hard thing to know.
I think my mum can do with some of these helpers in her life too. These little things can be by her side as well. Do you have such helpers in your home?
Nothing lasts forever. It's not easy to let go. Can you love me again? Can things ever be the same? All I do is see things slipping through my fingers when he turns and walks away. Yes, there he goes. There he goes. All the things I wanna say, and maybe he'll listen someday. I know it is not enough to say I'm sorry. Didn't beg him to stay, so there he goes. There he goes. Yes, there he goes. There he goes. Yes, there he goes. I know I did him wrong. Now something is broken inside me. I got what I gave. I am worthy to feel this way. But I want him to know that nothing I did was to hurt him. And I'm sorry I gave him this burden. There he goes.